Hello, I'm Kevin Keelan Payne and this is Keelan Huckabee Payne, and as you can see that way, we are Norwich City fans. What colour do they play in? What colour's this? What colour? What colour? What colour? There we go, yellow! Yeah, we got there in the end, don't we? And you like Norwich City because they play football. And what happens when you play football? What do we say?
Goal!
Goal! There we go. Got there in the end. Well, we're here to tell you about a new website called Canary Comics for fans of football and Norwich City, where you can...
No.
Yeah, that's right, Norwich. You can make your own comics using artwork that I have drawn, and it features all of the old players. Yeah, all of the greatest players like Keelan, like you, who you're named after, and Huckabee, and whoever that person is that you're talking about. Is that Mark Bowen you're talking about? Yeah, I think it is, isn't it? Is it you and Roberts you're talking about? Anyway, we'd really appreciate your help with the project, and just watch the video because that's going to tell you all about it. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Oh, the other thing is, as part of the rewards, you can buy a cartoon that I've drawn, but will be chosen by Keelan. So if Keelan tells me to draw something, I will draw it, and then that could be your reward. So here's an example of something that we've done recently, and that Keelan has helped. So there's a few of his favourite things on here. So he's quite into elephants, as you can see over here. We've got bees with lollies, and you can see he's added a little bit of extra detail as well. So I think that's about everything. Let's just try one now. So can you tell Daddy what can I draw for people? Tell me something to draw. What should I... Alright, you draw. You might want to buy this instead.
No.
There we go.
No.
This could be yours. And that one. Watch the video, and we hope you can help us out. Thank you very much. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Good boy.
Turn on that radio and back in.
Well, don't stop now.
What you know about game? 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 Canary.